How to allocate unallocated space in Windows 11. Here you can see only C drive is showing and no other drives are showing here. To fix it, right click on Start menu icon. Click on Disk Management. Here you can see unallocated space. Right click on unallocated space. Click on New Simple Volume. Click on Next. Again click on Next. Again click on Next. Click on Finish. Now a space have been allocated. Here you can see it. To check it, open My PC. Here you can see new drive with allocated space. So this is how you can fix unallocated space in Windows 11.